Good morning, Jaguars. Welcome to another day at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. Today is Monday, September the 28th. Our menu for the week is Monday, muffin, yogurt, and string cheese. Tuesday, hot dog on a bun. Wednesday, chicken tenders and sauce. Thursday, French toast sticks and cheese omelet. Friday, Wild Mike's cheese bites and sauce. Don't forget, Jaguars, breakfast and lunch are free to all through December the 18th. If you are a remote choice learner, you may pick up your free breakfast and lunch at our school each day between 10 and 10:30. Jaguars, this is a reminder to continue to wash your hands often, wait and practice social distancing, and continue to wear your masks. Jaguars, continue to take the lead by staying in control of you. Continue practicing the 5 steps from our Jefferson I Can hand. Pause, breathe, focus, move, and seek support if you need it. Families, if you haven't already, please make your family choice to return as a face-to-face learner or choose to switch to remote learning by Friday, October the 2nd. Go to www.k12k.com to complete the form. If you do not complete a form, then your child will remain in his or her current placement. Guess what time it is? It's Picture Day at Jefferson, coming on Thursday, October the 8th, for all students, including remote choice learning students and our face-to-face learners. Students who are face-to-face will have their pictures made during the morning, beginning at 8:45 a.m. per grade level schedules. Students who are remote choice learners will be able to come to the school to have their pictures made on October the 8th between the hours of 1 and 3. Please come to the back of the building on Overlook Road at the library area. Parking will be made available for you in the back. Only remote choice learner students will be allowed in, and their temperature will be taken prior to entry. Students will be escorted by staff to the library to have their pictures made and then return to the back exit when finished. Parents may wait in their cars or stay socially distanced on the back porch area. And now it's time to celebrate some amazing Jaguars who are celebrating a birthday this week. Celebrating a birthday on September the 29th in 4th grade is Amber B, and in 4th grade, VDP. And on October the 2nd, in kindergarten, Cohen E, 1st grade, Finley L, and in 1st grade, Ellie M. And on October the 3rd, celebrating a birthday in kindergarten is Ariana D. I hope you guys have an amazing time celebrating your birthday, and remember, it's your birthday, yeah, yeah, yeah. And now, I want to talk about our leaders of the week. You know, Jefferson is a school filled with leaders. Our leaders choose to be proactive, put first things first, begin with the end in mind, think win-win, seek first to understand and then be understood, synergize, sharpen the saw for balance is best, and finding their voice in our world. This week, we would like to celebrate the following Jaguar leaders. In kindergarten, Eli A. and Corbin H. In 1st grade, Ariana A., Daisy B., and Lonnie H. In 2nd grade, Elias L., Roger M. And in 3rd grade, Lavondre L., Tina M., and Heather S. In 4th grade, Bella B., Bella Faith M., Elin W., and Will W. And in 5th grade, Naomi A-R and Camden C, along with Shelby E. Congratulations to our leaders of the week. We are so proud of you. And now join me for some words of wisdom. This morning, I want you to think about all the good people who help make your life better. People like your teachers, parents, your doctor, or police and firemen who try to keep you safe. Now listen to these words from Mexican author Dr. Louis Leal. There are no limits to what you can do if you believe in people and want to improve the world. Dr. Leal is telling you that if you believe that people can do good and wonderful things, and if you really want to make the world a better place, there is no limit to what you can do. Jaguars, remember this. Every day, all over the world, there are good people doing wonderful things that make the world better, and you can be that kind of person too. The sky's the limit when you believe in yourself and others. So Jaguars, will you choose to be a difference maker in our world? Choose wisely. Our world is depending on you. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.